Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about Canada tourist visa from India. So if you live in India, any part of India, whether you live in Delhi, Mumbai, Agra, Chennai, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, and you want to apply Canada tourist visa, then this video is for you, because in today's video, I'm going to explain each and everything in detail with the processing time, validity, the documents, the pricing, and I'm going to give you the 3 tips as well, which may be very useful for you. So guys, please do watch the full video for the better understanding. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh. If you book any package, hotel, visa, anything with us, we always give you the best experience. So please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, let's start with the processing time. Let me tell you, in the official immigration website of Canada, you will find 50 to 60 working days for the Canada tourist visa processing. But as far as we know, from last 3 years, our Canada tourist visas are getting approved in just 30 to 40 days maximum. Means you will get to know the result whether it is approved or rejected in just 30 to 40 days maximum. I'm telling you, because you know this is the case which is going on from past 3 years. Now let me tell you the validity. See, validity as of now it's 10 years, same like USA, but we have heard some news that they are going to change it as per your documents. It can be same like Schengen. For example, they might give you 1 year, they might give you 6 months, they might give you 3 months for validity, which is, I know it's not a good news, because usually you get 10 years multiple entry tourist visa. Means you can enter, exit the country 10 years, anytime, any day. So that is the good thing, no? But they are going to change. That is the news we have heard, but still it's not confirmed. Now let me tell you documents which is required for Canada tourist visa from India. First of all, we need your passport copy, your Aadhaar card copy, and PAN card copy. So these are the 3 documents which are the basic, and I am sure that you must have all these 3 documents, right? Then you are planning to go Canada tourist visa, then only you are watching this video, correct? After that, we need your last 6-month bank statement, and we need the NOC from the company, which is non-objection certificate, which your company can give you, and it's easy. It's like the format we will share you just need to share it with your company. They will print in their company letterhead and they will sign it and send it to you. Just send it back to us. And last 3-year ITR return, okay, that is the income tax return. These are the 6 documents which are required for Canada tourist visa. In these documents, if you have any kind of doubts, or you want to add something, or you want to check something, you can contact us on the number mentioned below. The upside, downside, contact us anytime. Apart from that, if you are not doing any kind of job, if you have your own business, then we don't need NOC. Instead of NOC, we need the GST certificate and MSME certificate. MSME means is the Udyam registration, which we call in India, and GST certificate if you are doing your own business. Rest documents like passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card, and last 6-month bank statement and 3-year ITR is mandatory. So these are the documents which is required for Canada tourist visa. So when it comes to documents, it's a 3-layer process that we follow. First of all, when you send all these documents to us, our selling team will verify and check each and everything if there is something missing or not, and they will take it further to the typing team, where our typing team will prepare all of your documents. They will prepare your itinerary, cover letter, hotel, flight dummy, everything. They will make it. They will prepare a strong file, and then it goes to the review team, who do the submission as well. So review team will do the final review of your file and do the submission of your file. So this is the process we follow, and because of this process only, we have the highest approval ratio of Canada tourist visa with Akira Tourism. Now let me tell you the pricing part. We charge 20,000 rupees only from any part of India. Okay, so there is no extra charge. 20,000 including the embassy fees and our service charge as well, where we will provide you all these documents and our service charge as well. Everything is included if you have all of your documents. Now let me tell you the 3 tips which I was talking to you in the beginning of the video, which are very important to you, because if you want to apply Canada tourist visa, you should not miss these three things. The first tip is incomplete and inaccurate document. For example, if you don't have your PAN card, if you don't have your ITR, and you think, okay, let's submit the documents, only these two things I don't have or one thing you don't have, that is not going to work. Your visa will be rejected. You should have the complete documents with yourself. Tip number 2, your documents should match with each other. For example, the travel dates in your cover letter, itinerary, hotel flight dummy are matching with each other, then it's fine. Because if it doesn't match with each other, then it can be a problem, and a lot of people avoid this thing. They ignore these things. Because of that, their visas get rejected. It is very small thing, but it is very important. The third and very important part is the bank statement closing balance. You should have good closing balance in your account. For example, if you're traveling alone, you should have like 15-20 lakhs in your account. If you're traveling with family, should be more. So these are the 3 common tips which is you should be aware about. So guys, this was the video for Canada tourist visa from India. If you want to apply, the number is given below, address is given below. Come to us, apply your visa with the trust with Akira Tourism. So guys, if you like the video, please press the like button and do subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till that time,